The Trump administration is intensifying its fight against illegal immigration. This time, the focus is on marriage fraud, a scheme where foreign nationals marry US citizens solely to obtain green card benefits. The US Citizenship and Immigration Service, USCIS, is now cracking down on fraudulent marriages, warning that those involved could face deportation, arrest, and hefty fines. The US government has issued a strong warning against marriage fraud, calling it a serious crime that undermines the credibility of the immigration system. According to US immigration law, marriage fraud is a federal crime that carries a punishment of up to 5 years in prison and fine of up to $250,000. Let me know how marriage fraud is happening. Marriage fraud occurs when a foreign national and a US citizen enter into a sham marriage, not to build a life together, but to obtain lawful permanent residency or a green card. For a foreign national, this means unrestricted movement in the US, employment authorization, and the ability to travel freely. In some cases, fraudulent green card holders can even apply for US citizenship within 3 years. The US government is also warning that some foreign nationals manipulate US citizens into marriage, pretending to be in love while secretly using them for immigration benefits. Others pay US citizens to take part in the fraud. Facilitators who orchestrate fraudulent marriage for a fee are also under the scanner. These individuals not only arrange fake marriages but also coach applicants on how to pass USCIS interviews. Authorities recently made a major breakthrough in their investigation. On March 16, 4 people from California were sentenced in a federal court in Boston for running a large-scale marriage fraud agency. This agency arranged hundreds of sham marriages, helping undocumented immigrants obtain green cards under false pretenses. Some even falsely claimed domestic abuse under the Violence Against Women Act to secure legal status. The case was investigated by Homeland Security Investigations, the FBI, and USCIS. Let me know how to take foreign spouse or fiancé to the US. For those seeking legitimate ways to bring a foreign spouse or fiancé to the US, USCIS has outlined proper procedures. US citizens can file Form I-129F, which is the first step to obtaining a K-1 fiancé visa. This allows the foreign fiancé to legally enter the US and marry within 90 days. Authorities are urging the public to report any suspected cases of marriage fraud to immigration officials.